Okay, this is Friday the 25th of September, last day of the week, and going to take a look this morning at the Aussie versus the US. Mentioned earlier in the week that the Aussie has been very bearish. You can see on the weekly and the daily charts very bearish check marks over here. Our 3-day shows possibility of being overbought on some of those pairs, and one of those pairs would be the Aussie US dollar. So I'm going to go ahead and drill into that pair this morning and look at what we're looking for in terms of a possible entry. It qualified as a counter trend trade, long trade last night. As you can see, came back up a little bit here. The 4-hour copy curve crossing up and giving a counter trend signal up last night. Our daily copy curve is still showing a bearish divergence, however, and we are still beneath. If we draw a line, I call that the Heikin-Ashi fractal line right in here. So that would be an area of possible resistance right in there. I've noticed that price often finds resistance at that if it gets that high. Of course, based on our fib lines here, we also have a possible area of resistance right in here around 0.70, as you can see, 0.7050 thereabouts. So if we get above that, then the next line of possible resistance would be that Heikin-Ashi fractal line. Our 4-hour and 16-hour Kumos show that the bearish trend is still intact, and of course in the daily chart, Chiku is still below the historical price curve, and price as well as our Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen averages are also below the Kumo. So the bearish trend is still intact right now. We just do have a counter trend trade going up, and of course you would want to be out of that trade already if you're a short and be waiting for a new entry. So very brief video this morning. I had some computer problems, so trying to catch everything up. Hope you have a good day of trading.